Chancellor of the Lagos State University, Professor Oloworo.
Lagos State University, this is to certify that Professor Dapo Folorunsho Ashaju, under the authority of the Senate, is hereby conferred with the rank of a distinguished professor today, 22nd day of June 2023. Congratulations. Lagos State University, this is to certify that Professor Babajide Oluomo, under the authority of the Senate, is hereby conferred with the rank of a distinguished professor given today, 22nd day of June 2023. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Lagos State University, this is to certify that His Excellency Mr. Babatunde Raji Fashola, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Commander of the Order of the Niger, under the authority of the Senate, is hereby conferred the Doctor of Humane Letters, Urban and Rural Community Development and Youth Empowerment Honoris Causa, today, 22nd day of June 2023. Congratulations. Lagos State University, this is to certify that His Excellency Dr. John Olukayode Fayemi, PhD, CON, under the authority of the Senate, is hereby conferred the Doctor of Humane Letters in Human Rights, National Integration, and African Security Development, honoris causa, given today, 22nd June 2023. Congratulations.
LASU na helele, LASU na wayao, LASU na helele, LASU na wayao. No campus be like that, no campus be like that. Hey, that's right. If you like go Unilag, now your fault. If you like go Toronto, if you like go Unilag, as for me, LASU na my own, oh. Greatest last white, oh. Greatest last white, oh. We have to do something before we go. Greatest last white, Thank you.
By the authority vested in me as Chancellor, I confer upon you the honorary degree of Doctor of Arts, Broadcasting, Community Integration, and Human Rights Advocate.
LASUite. Greatest of the greatest LASUite. Greatest Big B. Greatest Bagba. Greatest Big. It's my singular honor. I've been told by the Vice Chancellor he's the first alumni of LASU to be given an honorary award at this level. And so on behalf of Lagos State University, this is to certify that His Royal Majesty Alailua Oba Saliu Elegushi, the Kushenla III, under the authority of the Senate, is hereby conferred the Doctor of Arts in Broadcasting, Community Integration, and Human Rights Advocate, honoris causa, today, 22nd June 2023. Congratulations.
By the authority vested in me as Chancellor, I confer upon you, Dr. Daniel Kolaole Olukoya, the honorary degree of Doctor of Science, genetics, and biotechnology.
Lagos State University. This is to certify that His Royal Majesty Oba Dr. Sulaiman Adeshina Raji Ashade I, the Oniba Ekun of Iba Kingdom, under the authority of the Senate, is hereby confer the Doctor of Humane Letters, Grassroots Development, honoris causa, given today, 22nd day of June, 2023. Congratulations.
To you, Princess, this appreciation award in recognition of your outstanding donation and facilitation of notable projects to the Lagos State University.
Ladies and gentlemen, in spite of the Master of Ceremonies' insistence to change my name, it will not change. The visitor, Your Excellencies, members of the Governing Council of this great university, in my personal capacity and on behalf of the Fashola family, I thank you very much for this honor. I accept it with pride. And there is a lot behind that, but that is a story for another day. Except to say that there seems to be something between honorary degrees, myself, and Dr. Kayode Fayemi. That's also a matter for another day. There are many matters, but the matter for today is just to say that from Professor Olumide to Professor Bello, from Governor Lateef Kayode Jakonde to Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu, the dream to create and to keep LASU alive has been a matter not only of personal sacrifice, but also a lot of service and public duty. And my central message today is that from here, we must rise and cease to be a nation of rights and become a nation of duty. Because we all seem to know our rights, but how many of us know our duties? And for those who have search engines on their phone, please just Google and read Section 24 of the Nigerian Constitution. It imposes duties on each and every one of us. As a new government settles in at state and federal level, I implore us to familiarize ourselves with our duties and to do our duties. Particularly Section 24B, and I'm not quoting law here, I'm just stating that our most important duty for me at this time is to positively project the good name, the image, and the prestige of our country. And that, for me, is a duty we must all own. That said, once again, I congratulate all the graduates, my fellow honorees, and members of the LASU Management and Governing Council who have kept this dream alive. Thank you very much.
The greatest of the greatest, that's why. Greatest Big B. Greatest Bagba. Greatest our local. Greatest our local. Thank you. My own is going to be different a little bit because this is my school. This is where it started from 23 years ago. I still remember my matriculation number, 9506-01129. So I'm a proud last white. So then we are part of the student union. There is nothing we do. You have to put a little piece song to make it good. Abby? Greatest last white, oh, greatest last white, oh, we have to do something before we go. Greatest last white, greatest last white, oh, greatest last white, oh. We have to do something before we go. Greatest last white, oh. Lasuna helele, lasuna waya o, lasuna helele, lasuna waya o. No campus be like that, no campus be like that. Hey, lasuna. If you like go Unilag, now your fault. If you like go Ife, now your fault. If you like go Harvard, now your fault. As for me, Lasuna Babao, and here we do. Thank you. Mr. Governor, Mr. Babatunde Sanwo-Olu, my brother, Dr. Kayode Fayemi, my brother, His Excellency Babatunde Raji Fashola, stroke, visitors to the university, the chairman and other members of this governing council, the vice chancellor, members of Senate and management, your Royal Majesties here present, White House chiefs, Ballet and associates, fellow honorees, ladies and gentlemen, I am deeply honored to receive this honorary degree from this esteemed institute. To be recognized in this way is truly a privilege, and I am grateful for the recognition 23 years after I completed my first degree from here. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the entire LASU community for conferring upon me this degree. I am particularly grateful to the University Senate under the chairmanship of the VC for approving my nomination. This honorary degree is not just a recognition of my accomplishment, but also an encouragement to continue pursuing excellence and making meaningful contribution to society. As part of our contribution, after this ceremony, we'll be laying the foundation of the building and donating to the university, which will be a research center for the study of Lagos history. Once again, my heartfelt thanks go to the management, staff and students of this institute for this honor. It is a privilege to be among the distinguished individuals who have received this degree before me and other eminent Nigerians being honored today. I will carry this honor with me as a reminder of the responsibility I have to use my resources, knowledge and skills to make a positive impact on this world. Thank you, everybody. God bless Lagos. God bless Nigeria. Thank you.
And he has the reasons. Only the tàbí sọ pé a fẹ́ sọ èdè Yorùbá. Àwa la ní LASU. Àwa Àwórì la ní LASU. A ní gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ kó bàjẹ́. Mi ní kan tí mo fẹ́ sọ títí lọ ju pé kí n dúpẹ́ lọ. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gómìnà wa. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn alákòóso ilé ẹ̀kọ́ wa yunifásitì tó wà lórí ilẹ̀ Ẹ̀bà. Yunifásitì yóò ní bàjẹ́ lágbára Ọlọ́run. Mo ń dúpẹ́ pẹ̀lú gbogbo àwọn ẹbí mi ń dúpẹ́ pé irú ọ̀nà tó fún mi yìí bá ṣe ń ṣe tó fi fún wa ní wọ́n náà ní ìdáwọ́ ẹ̀ dúró. We will still continue to do more. Thank you very much.
Say that your excellent contribution to national developments and well-being of humanity is noticed and has been acknowledged here by LASU. I want you to be rest assured that the university is extremely proud to associate with you and to leverage on your goodwill. I urge you to continue to impact positively on LASU and the society at large. I also want to sincerely appreciate all of your spouses, your children, family members that are here. But more importantly, to acknowledge the family of our pioneering Vice Chancellor, Professor Afolabi, who has been honored here with a posthumous recognition for the good work that he did in laying the solid foundation that all of us are seeing here today. We shall never forget him and his good deeds. At this junction, let me also, in the spirit of the 40th anniversary, also celebrate glowing tributes to the visionary and the founder of this university. Our father, the late Alhaji Lateef Kayode Jakonde of blessed memory, on whose honor your government have also set up a Lateef Kayode Jakonde Leadership Academy. It's a fellowship academy that strives to help future public and private sector leaders, and the first set of that fellowship, which has 30 young, bright Nigerians from various parts of the world between the age of 24 and 35, have since resumed. And within the next 9 to 10 months, we'll be turning out the first fellow of the Lateef Kayode Jakonde Leadership Academy. And we will believe that it will continue to be a wheel of chunking out great leaders of our time, because what LKJ has left with us is some of the things that we're seeing here today. And in similar fashion, to acknowledge some of my predecessors, especially the beginning of our time, His Excellency, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, who was also a one-time visitor to this university, who God has also bestowed a unique honor to be leading this country at this very, very, very auspicious time. We wish him all the very best, and we believe all the lessons and the learning of Lagos and LASU by extension will also be transformed in our country. Similar fashion is also to acknowledge and thank one of my brothers, leader, and friends, who have also given an award here today, Mr. Babatunde Fashola, Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Commander of the Order of the Niger, who had said to me severally that it's only an honor that you receive when you're out of office that is a proper honor. An honor that they give to you when you're in office is albeit just given to that office. Now we've given you an honor out of office. We believe is deserving of you and want to thank you for coming out to receive this honor. As I conclude, let me use this opportunity to commend Mr. President on the signing into law the Students' Loan Bill, which will provide opportunity for the children of the poor to realize their dream of acquiring tertiary education. I enjoin all Nigerians, especially intending beneficiaries, to embrace this opportunity in good spirits. Once again, I want to congratulate the Lagos State University on the successful hosting of the event commemorating the 26th Convocation and the 40th anniversary ceremony, and to express my sincere appreciation to all of the beneficiaries who have donated prizes, building, or structures, or who intend to do that. We want to thank you very much, and we pray that as you do so, God will bless you. I would also want to invite to stage the lady that gladdens our hearts, the lady that has broken all of the records of LASU, Miss Yusuf Aminat, who had scored a cumulative GPA of 5.0, meaning that in all of our coursework, she had an A in all of our classes. She deserves all the round of applause. Please, let's continue. Give her a round of applause. It wasn't a fluke. She got 5.0 in law. Senior Advocate of Nigeria, former governor. We cannot confer anything on her yet, but she got 5.0 in law. I think she deserves a round of applause. As a token of her brilliance, I will be giving her a token donation of 5 million. And the state government will give her additional donation of 5 million naira. Well done. Congratulations. To Miss Lopez Feishayo Divine, I'm told she's not here. She will also get a cash donation. She was the best graduating student for the year 2020-2021, and I think she also deserves a round of applause. On this very note, very joyful note, I want to wish all of us a safe journey back. I want to say that it's been an honor to be here today and to celebrate this 40th anniversary with all of you in LASU and the LASU community. Thank you, God bless you, and I wish you all the very best. Thank you for your attention.